marketing is the process by which a person earns a commission for marketing another person's or company's products. The affiliate simply searches for a product they enjoy, then promotes that product, and earns a piece of the profit from each sale they make. Basically, it's commission-based sales. You can promote a product to your followers, and if they purchase through your affiliate link, you get a cut of the profits. Sometimes marketers promote their affiliate programs by offering bonuses to anyone who purchases the offer. For example, you could give a free ebook you wrote to any follower who makes a purchase. Promotions like this encourage customers to buy by sweetening the deal. The merchant gives each affiliate a unique link so they can track who was responsible for a sale. When someone clicks that link, a small file called a cookie gets stored on the device. An affiliate cookie does two things: it helps the merchant attribute the sale back to the right person, and it usually holds an expiration date, so you get paid even if the buyer delays their purchase. In the simplest terms, affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing model that rewards affiliate partners for driving the desired action. The top 5 benefits of affiliate marketing are: 1. Affiliate marketing is performance-based. 2. It helps broaden your audience. 3. Affiliates can boost your reputation. 4. It's cost-effective. And 5. Affiliates can rapidly scale your traffic and sales. Affiliate marketing certainly has the potential to drive sales and generate significant revenue. More than that, it is a highly cost-effective lead generation tactic where you pay solely for performance. One of the best ways to monetize your blog is with affiliate marketing, and it is a great way for new bloggers to start making money quickly. Creating a product review blog is an effective way to use affiliate marketing. A good and honest review post will also help to establish trust and authority with your audience. With a product review blog, there's much you must do to ensure your success. YouTube affiliate marketing is an online business model where you generate revenue by adding affiliate links for products or services you recommend to videos you create and upload. So it is very similar to traditional affiliate marketing in terms of making money. Successful affiliate marketing does not have to cost a fortune. In fact, attracting an audience can be done for free, as long as you are willing to be patient. Once you increase your traffic, you can begin promoting an array of products and services that are in line with your niche. You will need to market those products differently depending on the sources you are using to generate traffic. Affiliate marketing is a great way to increase your digital product sales without having to do a lot of extra marketing yourself. You agree to pay affiliates 50% of sales, so the more products they help you sell, the more money they earn. This relationship gives affiliates an incentive to be as effective as possible in marketing your product. An easy way to find affiliate programs is to visit an affiliate marketplace or platform. Browse your niche to find top-performing affiliate platforms. Here are some of the most popular: 1. Affiliate Network. 2. AbondLink. 3. CJ by Conversant. 4. ClickBank. 5. Flex Offers. 6. Link Connector. 7. Revenue Wire. 8. Share Sale, and 9. JVZoo. Another option is to visit the websites of the products and services you use and like to see if they have an affiliate program. Large companies often have programs they promote on their sites, such as Amazon Associates or the Shopify affiliate program. Affiliate marketing offers a flexible approach as well as a cost-effective method to promote your brand and generate new leads. It also lessens the amount of money wasted on advertisements. Here are some important reasons to be a successful affiliate marketer. 1. Passive income. 2. No customer support. 3. Work from home. 4. Cost-effective. 5. Convenient and flexible. 6. Performance-based rewards. And 7. Do not underestimate the power of SEO. Thank you for watching this video. If you like our video and want to know more different ways to grow your business with the help of technology, please like and subscribe to our channel. Please feel free to comment and share our videos